Hello everyone, welcome back to another Gardening Guys partner video. And as you can see from the logo, we've partnered with Cancer Research UK. Well, their online shop anyway. So if you go onto our website, tggofficial.co.uk, you can find their banner that you can click on and it'll take you directly to this page. This is their online store. Any money that they make off this goes back into what they do. And they've got a whole range of different products that they sell. So the classic pin badges, bags, picnic blankets, there's absolutely loads. So if you do want to support and get yourself some decent stuff, look, holiday stuff. Ooh, they do kayaks and rafts, wetsuits, crikey. They do literally absolutely everything. Books, fundraising, so all their fundraising stuff obviously, and second-hand stuff. So be sure to check them out. It's $3.99 standard delivery or free delivery for anything over £40, and there is a little bit of a discount when you use the link that we have. So not only do you support Cancer Research UK, but you also support the Gardening Guys. We do earn commission off these. All of our partners are commission based. So whatever you order, we do get a percentage of, and that helps us to continue doing what we are doing. So if you do want to check them out, tggofficial.co.uk, go to the top and click partners and look for their banner. That's going to do it for this one. So again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.